Trying to lose belly fat can be a frustrating process, but it's not something that can be rushed. Visceral fat is the harmful type of fat that sits around your abdominal organs. One of the ways you can lose belly fat is by incorporating more vegetables into each of your meals. Vegetables are high in fiber and other valuable nutrients and minerals, which make them an important food to include in your eating routine. And the best vegetable to help you meet your weight loss goals and shrink belly fat is spinach. Spinach is loaded with nutrients, which makes it very nutritious and healthy for your body. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which have been linked to shrinking belly fat. One of the things that makes spinach one of the best vegetables for weight loss and maintaining overall health is its high fiber content. Additionally, spinach is a low-calorie vegetable but also very high in fiber. Eating fiber helps you feel full and prevents overeating. Fiber also helps aid digestion and absorption of food, which will help keep your metabolism in check. Along with its high fiber content, spinach is also packed with protein as well. And to get the biggest boost of protein, some recommended eating it cooked, as 1 cup of cooked spinach equals about 5 grams of protein and 1 cup of raw spinach is less than 1. Lastly, spinach also contains protein, which helps you reduce fat, build lean muscle, and feel full, just like fiber. Meeting your protein goals for the day is very important to losing belly fat, and spinach helps you get there. Remember that losing visceral fat requires a steady change in lifestyle and eating habits. For example, incorporating more fiber and protein, limiting your consumption of trans fats and added sugar, and exercising on a regular schedule can be a great place to start. And now, if you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And be sure to check out our other videos.